REKR stock analysis. This is for Thursday, so is it a buy or not? Watch this brief short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Regarding Rekor Systems, I can tell you one thing, and that is that with 30% increase in price, this is solid. My idea was exactly this. You might think that I'm lying to you or whatever, but this was made 4 days ago, 30th of May. This is how my chart looked like. All right. I want to see deeper pull downs, so then I can finally take it up. And guess what happens? Exactly that. I saw the pull downs, and today, 3rd of June, we went up. Phenomenal. In this particular instance, I'm just looking to double down. Not in a way where I'm just going to randomly start buying, but in a way where if it does pull down, it gives me the shift, and that's what I'll be taking advantage of. But yeah, you can see here I even have previous receipts of REKR in the Discord. So if you do want to learn how I make it 5, 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, then you get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.